Welcome to our quick guide on how to turn on read receipts on Group Messenger Updated. If you want to know when your messages are read in a group chat, this simple setting will help you stay in the loop. Let's dive in. First, open the Messenger app on your device and locate the group you want to adjust. Tap on that group to open the chat and see its messages and participants. This is your gateway to customization, so make sure you're in the right conversation. Next, look at the top of the screen where you'll see the group's name or the group picture. Tap on either the name or the picture. This opens the group's details panel, giving you more options related to the chat and its members. It's the control center for how your group behaves. Now, scroll through the options until you find read receipts. It might be listed under privacy or chat settings, depending on your app version. Tap read receipt to access the toggle that controls whether others can see when you've read a message. This is the feature that signals engagement without requiring a reply. With read receipts open, locate the toggle labeled show read receipts and switch it on. When this is enabled, your group members will be able to see when you've read their messages. If you're someone who appreciates transparency or just wants to keep conversations moving, turning this on can be very useful. If you ever decide you'd rather hide your read status, you can repeat the same steps and toggle show read receipts off. Remember, turning this off will also prevent you from seeing when others have read your messages in the group. It's all about finding the right balance for your communication style. A quick heads up. App interfaces can vary slightly based on the device or messenger version you're using. If you don't see read receipts exactly where described, look for related terms like privacy, message settings, or read status in the group's details. A small update in the app could relocate these options, but the principle remains the same. That's all there is